Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Okay, first things first, launch the Messenger app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to access the main menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page until you see Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center, and in here in the Account Center, tap on Accounts. Under Accounts, tap Add Accounts. You'll now see your Instagram account listed. So what you want to do is to tap Continue. If you want to review the information provided, you can do so. Otherwise, proceed. Tap Yes, Finish Adding to finish everything. And that should be able to fix your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now connect Messenger to Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.